Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our video report for Thursday, May 5th, 2016. Happy Cinco de Mayo. So let's get started. There wasn't much partying going on in this market. It was pretty sleepy. The bulls tried early. Looked like they were going to try. They're going to give us that bounce that I was anticipating. But being we have the jobs numbers coming tomorrow, I think a little people were on edge about holding anything overnight. So we pretty much ended right where we started, and there's really not a whole lot to go over. Everything is still the same. I'm still anticipating that we're going to get a bounce. Really, the main reason is the bullish divergences as well as the bearish wedge here. What the bulls have to do is get it above this 2070 area. If they do that, then I wouldn't be surprised to see a move all the way up to the 2085 or even higher. But once this completes, the next move should be to the downside, and we're probably going to see things very overbought. It's just a matter of when are they going to start. If they don't start here, if they did, and then they have to head lower, you want to keep an eye on the 2040 all the way down to the 2033 level. This is support area, and if we look at the daily chart, you can see you have the moving average at 2042. There's also this support here. So there's a lot of support in this area. So whether we made the low or not, we're probably going to find some support here, and we're going to get a bounce and probably test these levels up here. But the bearish divergences on the daily and the still very overbought conditions is saying that I don't believe this is over. Where I believe we are is something like this, and now we're going to get a pop up. May not follow it in the same format, but something like this where we get a decent pop, and then from there we start churning before we roll over. So I don't believe that buying this market is safe. You can do it for a scalp trade. You better be near your computer. Just remember that fear is stronger than greed. So if things start breaking support, you can see a panic sell-off. But it would make more sense right now if we get that reflex bounce that we're anticipating. Whether it started here, it's probably or not, we'll find out. But if not, it's probably going to be in these areas here. So just one last chart is the 15-minute. You can see we have the bullish divergences still pretty oversold right there, and just usually they do 50 to 62 or 78% retracements. So 2078, 2086, and 2097 would be some possible targets on the upside. But the main thing is the bulls have to get it above this 2070 to get anything going. So with that, let's see what the job numbers do tomorrow. See the way the I don't know what the heck that was. See the way the algorithms are programmed, and that's about it. So with that, I'll see you guys in the morning.